Yeah, we on big man in this bitch. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Hey, yeah, I get money.
This is for you, Facebook. Alright, old niggas, man, let me tell you what's up. We action nicely to get the old chat up, but apparently you ain't listen to our comments and stuff. So let me tell you right now in rap form, man, the old chat is really cool. The new chat you got, man, it ain't real cool. Man, let me tell you how it should ought to be, where all our friends show so we can clearly see. Chat ain't just the same, man, it's all tight. We don't even talk to most people, that's right, but we still like the satisfaction of knowing that we can. Man, everybody knows I'm just a man. I like to see my girls and everybody tight. Let me tell you what, with all my might, I'ma fight your decision. Everybody cool, I'ma hit the old chat back before I go to school. Let me tell you what's up, I'm gonna tell you once more, one more last time. Then I'm gonna score, I'ma cuss you out if you don't take it back, man. Take it back one step, it's good for your fans. Facebook, my name is DJ Hobbs. Let me tell you what's up. Facebook chat ain't just like a what's up, man. I wanna see my people on Facebook. All I see is a couple people, man. What's up? You know we don't like that, so I don't know what you trying to do. Trying to get up in the back, we don't like that. What you trying to do right now? You can't get us, man. Well, let's get it up, man. I got 554 friends. Let me tell you what, I wanna see them in chat again. Let me tell you what's up. I put it back up, we started petitions, man. We started date 2. Let me tell you what, we don't like you. I'ma get off this Facebook and I'ma get it like that. Until you think Facebook up like that. Yeah. Let me tell you one more thing, Facebook, before I start this rap. Let me tell you, you just need to cut the crap. No more changes unless we say so. Start a petition to get the mace low. And if we don't like it, let's take it off. Man, please, this ain't your mouth, man. Who pays your bills? Us, the users of Facebook. Man, without us, you be without a book in a house on the streets, living in a box or your TV. What you gonna do? You think life is easy, but wait till these Facebookers come off when they see your crap going on. And let me tell you what's up. We don't like it, man. So just turn the chat back on and the scrap will stop. You hear me, Facebook? I'm watching you. And that's my final thing on this matter. Facebook, turn it back, or I'm leaving. Goodbye.